Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Vauxhall flip key. This particular model was found from cars starting from 2015 up until 2021 even. So in order to open the case, you have a small gap here, just where you attach the key ring. To push that one up, it goes up like that. And then you have the battery on the side. Again, with a small flathead screwdriver, you have a gap here, which allows you to release the battery. Once the battery is released, check which model you have. In our case, it's a CR2032. Slide the battery back into position with the positive side up, and put the case back together, and you're ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.